Of course. So he's going to draw this line in the sand, decide that he has the authority to have you break the contract.
Not just my contract. I've got private messages on that page between myself and current and former counsel. So that would also.
Oh, that's breaking attorney-client privilege. So he's ordering you. If he gets away with this, we're under martial law, man, because that's lawlessness.
Right. There's many other reasons you shouldn't do this, but those are just a couple.
Yeah. I have to agree. I think things are out of control right now with people's rights are just being yanked from them as if they didn't exist. It's my contention that they don't, but anyway, we got to fight for it. So what are your plans? What are you doing going forward here?
I'm heading downtown right now to do an interview with Fox News next door,
Right.
court building, and at that point, I'm sure the U.S. Marshals will come out and arrest me.
Oh Lord. I hope and I pray that we can get you some kind of help, man, because this isn't right. This isn't right.
I agree.
There's
That's what
nothing
I'm saying.
right
That's
about
what I believe in.
it. Our prayers are with you, and I'll spread this everywhere.
Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it.
Some help and needs the word spread about as fast as we can. Check this story out. This is only half the story. I'll share the rest with you in a
Is it a
second.
free speech issue or a property rights issue? The lines are blurred when you're talking about social media.
Fox 26's Andrea Watkins tells us about a former business owner who you might say plans to defy a court and stick to his guns.
Tactical firearms at Katy Gun and Shooting Range got the reputation of having a conservative voice. The message on the Mason Road marquee traveled around the world through photos on social media. That voice was originating from principal owner Jeremy Alcide, who in December of 2014 lost the company in bankruptcy to a business partner. He is now fighting a court order to turn over his password to the Facebook page.
And I don't understand how it benefits the company when the followers were following me.
Not so.
God, I wish I could do something for you, brother.
Your voice, but my voice can't be heard.
We'll be staying on it too.
Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it.
It's not a problem. Sometimes you got to just stand up for what's right. I agree with you. I commend your courage.
Somebody's got to do it. If not, you and I won't be able to talk on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh Lord.
It starts somewhere. It's starting right here. They're trimming a little bit off the Constitution, taking away my First Amendment, small way, and before you know it, there will be no First Amendment, or Second Amendment, or Fourth, or any of the Fourth Amendment. They're all important, but it's just, this is out of hand.
Yeah, I agree.
Nation's going to hell in a handbasket.
I agree. It's not right at all. Nothing even remotely cool about it, man. Well, so this judge, he does understand, he was made aware of some of these concerns, right? I mean, he's aware of some of these points that you made that he's telling you to give up, right?
Right. The problem is, so, we've had all these hearings spread out over weeks and months, and he handles hundreds of cases at one time because he is the chief federal bankruptcy court in the Southern District of Texas. And so when he doesn't make a ruling right then and there, and his favorite term is he's going to noodle over it, meaning he's going to look at other case law. When
Yeah, I'm clueless as to any kind of a common sense or legal understanding as to why he would feel that he had that right without any kind of attempt at reaching out to Facebook and seeing if they could just receive the information that was business related and business related only, perhaps, or something like that. But to take everything and then private conversations, no,
Not
that's
to mention, the page is under my personal name, and that name cannot be changed against your Facebook.
This is-
And so if these people want to post whatever they want to post, they can say, I love Barack Obama, which I personally do not, completely opposite of that,
Right.
then they're impersonating me. I mean, this goes against so many rights that it's not even funny.
yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's your identity. It is part of your identity, and you've built it up over time. I know we had that conversation about you had like 5,000. You'd reached the 5,000 friends limit. Friends, not business associates, not contacts, not clients, but friends. That's a whole other issue. Where do they get the right to take your list of friends and take it? That's a whole nother matter. That's like, give me the list of your friends. This is
There are multiple people that have posted on my account on the likes page that even said, I can't give you how many, that they said, I'm from Nebraska, or I'm from Oregon, or I'm from New Jersey, or I'm from all over the United States. That said, I wasn't even a customer of your store. I don't know anything about your store. The reason I liked you is because of what you say and what you believe in.
right.
This doesn't have anything, our friendship on Facebook doesn't have anything to do with the store.
Yes, what you do while you're on Facebook, it becomes your persona, and I don't believe that a corporation has the right to your persona.
Right. It's
Yeah.
Intellectual property.
Yeah, it's just
It
not.
was my post, my intellect, the company, and no, even my former 30% partner of the company never asked me to post. He never asked me to create the Facebook page. The company never spent any money on the Facebook page. It's all been completely my blood, sweat, and tears, putting time into it, communicating with people as me, the person, me, the man, Jeremy Alcide.
Yeah, I agree. I absolutely agree. I can't see it any other way, man. I just can't. At some point,
83-year-old brother, it's just church, so I don't understand.
at some point we have to stop
what they're
this.
doing.
At some point we have to stop this corporate fascism. That's judicial tyranny, is what it is.
Insanity.
I don't know whether it's tyranny by ignorance, tyranny by arrogance,
Parliamentarians.
whatever it is. It's got to stop. I think it's a little bit of both. I really think it's a little bit of both. I don't think this judge is in touch with what he's doing here. I don't think he comprehends the level of what he's ordered.
We're in uncharted territory when it comes to social media. You know, they just now made it legal to serve someone divorce papers through Facebook. You can also, just by having a login with Facebook, you can get on the payloan.com website
Yeah.
and log in using Facebook. You don't have to create an account. You use your Facebook, and then they take the information from that account to get a payday loan.
Oh my
So
God.
that's another reason. Yeah, that's another reason that I can't give over my identity. Because you have the right to do all this. Can I turn around and sue him civilly later? Yes, but the damage is already done. To my credit, to my identity, to my thoughts. You know, this just goes on and on and on. I've got, 9 or 11 points as to why the judge should not have done what he has done.
Yeah, I agree.
And so now hopefully I will be losing, not hopefully,
I'm on RBN, and I'm gonna be contacting Pete Santilli immediately following this conversation, and I hope that we can, all of us in this community, can transcend any kind of differences that we have and put the word out regardless, and spread it around there. I'll be reaching out to everybody I know.
I appreciate it. They set up a GoFundMe account on my Facebook.
Okay. Well, I'll post a link. I'll post a link to that in this too.
It is FB or jail. Facebook or jail. FB or jail. I think is the name of the GoFundMe account.
Okay. I'll post the link, like, for whoever's listening. I'm going to post that link in the description as soon as I snatch and grab it out of there. Is there anything else?
They've got millions of dollars. They've got opposition. That's a $50 million business. So he's got deep pocketbooks to fight this.
Right. I hear you. You're being crushed by corporate fascism.
That's it. You just nailed it.
That's amazing. It's just, we can't allow this to happen. I'm glad that Fox News is on it. I commend them for that. I'm pretty critical on corporate media, and I'm a conservative myself, but I'm always critical on corporate media. But I hope that they show the depth. I know that if Judge Napolitano has a crack at this, he would certainly give it a fair assessment. As a matter of fact, I mean, I urge, if the judge catches wind of this, to please perhaps look to do an interview on it. That would be nice to see what Judge Napolitano has to say about it.
Right, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Well, my prayers are with you, brother, and whatever. You have my name written down to add as a contact so that we can do something with communication.
Well, I'm not going to have any communication, but yes, I'll definitely get in touch with you. Just I'm not going to be able to communicate while I'm.
If you're in there, you can put people on a list. I don't know what your plans are when you get in there. I know that we spoke about that.
When you're under contempt of court, you have no right to counsel, no right to make phone calls, no right for visitors.
What?
Yes, when you're in contempt of court, that is it. It's not. You can't bond out. You can't. I'm going to be alone in a room away from actual prisoners. I'm not actually fingerprinted and arrested. I'm being detained indefinitely, like Gitmo. Happens all the time. It's just people don't hear about it. Hopefully, people hear about it. That will change.
Yeah, because that's.
It's over one person. This isn't a jury of my peers. This isn't a group of people that determine this. This is one individual that is determining my fate.
Based on ordering you to break the law.
Correct.
Wow.